Hi there, hope you would be well. In today's video, I will provide you with a step-by-step method on how to delete any comment, post, or any recent activity from Facebook within seconds. Stay tuned because this video is going to be exciting. So, let's get started. To remove any post or comment or anything from Facebook, first go to facebook.com, I had already opened it here. Next, let's do a quick comment here that we will be deleting. Next, click on this arrow on top right corner. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. Now select Activity Log from it. Activity Log basically is a panel that contains all activity that you have done or related to you. Here, as you can see on left side, the recent comment that I have done. To delete this, just click on this icon and voila, your comment will be deleted. You can also apply filters to delete posts as well as anything from your Facebook account. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, so that I can continue making such interesting videos for you, and press bell icon next to it. Also, if you had any query or question, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can get back to you. If you found the video useful, then also like, comment and share it with others. Thanks for watching. We need your support.